Hello and welcome to this video. In today's tutorial, I'm inspired by one of Stanley Kubrick's masterpieces, The Shining. And I'm so excited about this tutorial, so let's not waste any more time with the introduction and let's get into it. So this will be the end result of this tutorial. We will be creating the big wheel scene with Danny from The Shining. Okay, so first let's open a blank canvas and give it a smoke-like color, which will be the walls of the hotel. Then let's set a perspective by using a square in a lighter color to create the wall that we are facing, and a triangle which we will hide its upper part behind the square. However, here instead of a normal triangle, use a triangle frame so that we can fill it with an image of the carpet from the movie to give it a more realistic and 3D effect. For this, you can simply search Shining movie carpet in your search engine and find the same image that I'm using here. Now let's add the corners of the walls using the line tool in a darker shade of brown. And now let's draw the doors. Here, because it's a perspective scene, we can't just simply use a rectangle as we normally would in a two-dimensional drawing, because the edge of the door that is closer to us will be longer than the one that is far. That's why I crop out the top of a triangle and use the rest of it as I'm doing also here. Let's also add some shadow to the door and draw the doorknob with a circle and an oval shape. Now let's add also the other doors in the same way. Now let's draw the big wheel and Danny, the little boy who rides the big wheel around the corridors of the hotel. Let's make the last touches to complete the scene. And we're done. I hope you like this fun little tutorial. If you like this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up and follow my YouTube channel. And until next time, take care.